Hello, in this video we are going to go over the answer to a question that we get often, which is, what do you do if you want to enter some additional information into Owlytica that isn't a preset field in the Assets tab? We've created an option for you to add custom fields. You go to the Assets tab, you click on the asset that you are wanting to add the custom field to. And before we do that, I do want to point out these are columns and these are the column names, which will be important when we create this first custom field. So in this column, you have asset name, and then obviously the name of the asset appears. So you click in, you scroll to the bottom, and then there's the field called custom fields. When you click it, it's going to ask you to do a column field name. One of the custom fields that we frequently see added is going to be cost center. And then you could add in this cost center and click save. And when we go back to the assets tab, we're going to find this same asset. We're going to scroll over and we are not going to see that cost center tab. We have to click this column settings. We have to scroll down and we have to find that custom field that we added, apply it, and now you will be able to see cost center. So you can see the asset that we added is now listed with a cost center. So that is adding custom fields into Owlytica. Thank you for watching.